Have you been thinking about subscribing to the Allure Beauty box? It's only $25. You get 6+ products, 3 are guaranteed to be full size, but thought, you know what? I don't like skincare. I want makeup. Well, then this video is for you. Because today, I'm going to share with you all of the makeup and makeup adjacent products I've received in the past year. Hey everyone, I'm YGO Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, YGO stands for When You Get Old. So all of the products I'm going to be trying out today, I received from Allure. But a couple of them I got in an Allure Reader's Choice Award box, not the monthly box. When it comes to those products, I will let you know. All right, let's get started with the primer. So I have 2, and I'm actually going to use both because why not? This here is from Glow Recipe and leans more towards skincare, whereas the next product I personally think is a little more makeup-y. So this is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I have received this both from Allure as well as I want to say in PIXI. It's a serum type. It does smell like watermelon, which if you love watermelon, you're going to love this. It feels really nice going on to the skin. For me, it's not the glowiest or dewiest of primers, but it, looks nice, feels nice, and it has really nice skincare ingredients. But if you like your skin to be really glowy, we're talking like a subtle highlighter, then I think this next product is more up your alley. So this here is from PIXI, and this is the Rose Radiance Perfector. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is going to be more on par with the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. It's a little thicker and is tinted to begin with, and this is why I refer to this more kind of as makeup adjacent than skincare adjacent. So I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but I can definitely tell in real life there's definitely more of a sheen and glow using the PIXI product, but both of them are spectacular. So the one thing that I have yet to ever receive in an Allure Beauty box is any kind of complexion product, whether it be foundation or concealer. So I'm going to pop off camera, apply those products, and then I'll come back and apply the rest of the products. All right, so I'm going to try and speed through some of these products because I do have several, I don't want to say repeat, but multiple products within the same category. So when I started the video, I had this lip balm on my lips. This is the Bag Balm. This is really comfortable. Does it smell nice or taste good? No. Is it horrible or bad? No. It just is kind of neutral, doesn't taste or smell like anything, but it's super comfortable, and I love the applicator. In this particular box, with a $5 item, one of the full size was $68 and the other was $58. So for a $25 box, you can get some really nice brands at a really good value. Speaking of a really nice brand for really good value, this here is from YSL, and I want to say it retails for $42. This is their newer release. It's a kind of lipstick lip balm hybrid, and it is pigmented. It's not super pigmented to, function fully as a lipstick, but it gives a lot more color than a typical lip balm. It's very comfortable, and it has a nice scent. If you like grapefruit, and I don't like grapefruit, but this smells like grapefruit in a good way, or at least I'm interpreting the scent as grapefruit. It's some kind of citrus that isn't orange or lemon, and this is the type of product that you will get in an Allure box. Super bougie brand, a new trending product where this one product itself pays for the box. Speaking of a product that in of itself pays for the box, take a look at this guy here. This is from Charlotte Tilbury and is the Beautiful Skin Sun Kiss Glow Bronzer. This product not only is super bougie, super nice, really big, and will last you like a really long time, but this we got to select our own shade. So if you subscribe, every now and again, I would say maybe 3, 4, 5 times a year, they will send an email allowing you to select the product or the shade. This here is a cream bronzer and it is so good. I actually already owned it and I didn't mind that it was a repeat for me because it is that good. Let me know if you heard about the Charlotte Tilbury being in the Allure box and signed up. I mean, for $25, hello, a $58 product, you cannot beat that. And if anyone is curious, and by the way, this video is not sponsored, and honestly, I don't care if you use my code or not. Use somebody's code though, because I think it's important that we all save money where we can. But in my link, I do have it's called a friend referral, so it's not kind of an affiliate program, none of that. It's just a friend referral. If you were to sign up and didn't have a YouTube channel, you yourself could send similar code to your friends and family. So if anyone is curious or wants to sign up and wants to save, I think it's $10 off your first box, feel free to do so. And in return, I will get some kind of a discount that I can use in their shop. And honestly, every time I go there, there's nothing I need or want because I have so many subscriptions. But save yourself 10 bucks. All right. That is beautiful, gorgeous. I love how neutral it is and not super orange. And yes, it's just so good. All right, let's move along to blush. And for blush, I have several products. So first I have this blush palette, which is from the Beauty Bakerie. This is the Cotton Candy Champagne Royale Blushlighter palette. Mine came a little busted. That's okay. There are 4 shades here, and these are a little shimmery. I also got this blush here, which is a deeper shade. Probably something I'm more likely to use in the winter months. This is from a brand called TEEEZ, and it's the Suit of Armor Don't Blush Me Blush. And then in the most recent Allure Beauty box, the April box, I got this product. This is from BLOOMEFFECTS, and this is the Tulip Tint. It's in the shade Coral Crush, so I'm not sure what I'm going to think about it. This is also a cheek and lip tint, so you can put it on your lips or on your cheeks. It does come safety sealed. We do a little swatch here. I didn't put that much because normally these kind of products can be extra heavy-handed, or I can be heavy-handed. Okay, so that is very light. All right, what I think I might do is go in first with this cream and then follow up with one of the blush lighters. I'm just gonna take my finger and hopefully that's not too much. And let's see if it acts on my cheeks like it did on the back of my hand, where it kind of wasn't super powerful, which is probably a good thing. Like if you're just rushing to the doctor's office and want a little flush of color, but you know, don't want to pull out your whole makeup bag, this is probably really good for that. Yes, definitely. My lights are very bright, so hopefully you can see that. Don't know if my fingers were the best because we're all over the place, but let's just take a little damp sponge and probably wipe half of it away, but that's okay because we have more blush to try. All right, so this here is beautiful palette, and then the next products. So I'm first going to show you what we received in one of the boxes were 2 of these face brushes from LARUCE. So here they are here. The reason I'm just doing that is because I already own these brushes, and so I haven't washed the new ones yet. So I'm going to take these and go to town in this palette here. All right, probably this shade here is going to match best with what I already have, but it's a little pink, so I'm going to tone it down with this kind of more mauve-y shade. And let's see what happened. Oh yeah, that's very pigmented. Okay, so I have a damp sponge. We're just going to tap it in and hopefully, yes, fix it. If you ever have trouble, Nothing like a damp sponge or grabbing the brush or tool you use to apply your foundation can help tone things down. All right, we'll just do that. All right, moving on to eyeshadow. So when I was pulling the products from my collection, at first I thought, I don't have any eyeshadow that I received from Allure, but I actually do. Now this is one of the products I received that was in an Allure Beauty favorites, or I forget what they call it, the award winners favorites, something along those lines. But this here is from Tarte, and it's the Tartelette in Bloom palette. I recently picked up one of their award winner boxes, and it was such a good box. If you missed it, I will list it in the eye above. It was a $99 box, but the value was over $300, and it had some really, really good products. The Tarte palette was in a similar type award winner box, but I got it last year. I always forget that the Tarte formula, it smells like chocolate. All right, I need to get through this video really quick because I have more videos to film. So hopefully I don't talk too much, but let's just quickly throw together a nice little neutral eye look, and let me know if you enjoy products from Tarte. I'm still waiting on my Tarte haul. I don't know the order of the videos. It's possible this will come after my Tarte unboxing or try on, but I digress. This here is an Allure video. Okay, so let's just quickly deepen up the outer, get something glimmery shimmery on, and move along to the next product, which is something I don't normally wear. Oh, that's a little too dark. That's okay. Not leaving the house, which shouldn't be an excuse for not creating the best look, but that's what I tell myself. All right, let's see if the shimmer won't get everything a little lighter. And then I'm going to grab a big fluffy brush. I'm just going to take whatever's left up here. I love doing this. I take a clean fluffy brush and just kind of blend everything, kind of make it all not quite so harsh. All right, the best look I've done? No. The worst? It's up there, but I have done worse. I'm just gonna, well, that's a dry Kleenex. I'm just gonna grab a wipe and kind of fix the excess, and then move on to eyeliner. All right, so I have 3 eyeliners. The black one from Urban Decay. This is the 24x7 Glide On Eye Pencil. I received it in this year's Reader's Choice Award. This next eyeliner is from Real Her, and this is a metallic bronze eyeliner. I think I'm gonna go in, and where do I want to put this? Maybe down below. I don't know. I don't wear metallic eyeliners, but I own it. Maybe we can put a little up top. Let's just see what this looks like. All right, get a little up top, and it's very close to the eyeshadow, so I don't know what's gonna pick up, but pull a little there. And then the 24x7 is gonna go in my waterline. And honestly, I don't even know what this third one is. So this here is from Chiku, and it's a KULFI Kajal eyeliner crayon. Oh, Chiku, that's the shade, which is a brown. That's what this guy looks like. I want to say I got this fairly recently, maybe January time frame. All right, what to do? I got too many eyeliners on. I guess we can go on the outer portion of up top. Since I don't have a liquid liner, I'm a liquid liner, top of the eye kind of girl. But we will just make this work. All right, when I'm in editing, I know, I can feel it. I'm going to be like, what'd you do? Because when I'm filming, my lights are so bright, sometimes I don't see little boo-boos. All right, moving on. I'm trying to make these videos not so long. All right, what do we have next? Oh, yes. Okay, so here is a somewhat recent product in the past 4 to 5 months. This is from Jasmine Beauty, and it's something I don't normally use or wear. It's a Brow Boss Brow Styling Wax. It comes in this little teeny plastic pot. It looks like nothing's in there because it's just a clear gel. I'm just going to take a little spoolie and I guess brush up my brows. Alright, so I'm just going to dip this in. I did use this one other time and it was quite sticky, meaning it remained on my brush, but it was okay in the brows, so hopefully I didn't get too much, probably. We're just going to get it in there and move on to whatever's left. Alright. Feels nice. I'm just not one to really focus on my brows because I'm lazy and I honestly think my brows look good. I'm not digging how dark I made my eyes. I'm gonna dive into this kind of pinky mauve shimmery blush shade. It's a little more pink. And let's just get a little on my eyes, because why not? Makeup you can put anywhere. And let's see if we can't tame down a little bit that dark brown I used, which is beautiful. I'm just not in the mood for that. Alright, did that do anything? Did I make it worse? Not fantastic, but slightly better. Alright, last item. Yay! So this here is from Milk Makeup, which is a really nice brand. And this is the Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Spray. What do I think about the mister? Ooh. Nice-ish. Not the finest mist, but I've had way worse. Alright, let's see how it goes. Oh, it's coming back to me. Maybe I'm holding it too close. Yeah, that's better when you hold it out. But the problem is your aim is off, or my aim's off, because if you need to hold it higher because it anyways, not my favorite mister. And I think I recall certain people in the comments were like, oh, I really like it. I don't think it's aggressive. To me, this is an aggressive mister. But the brand Milk Makeup is really nice. Getting a setting spray, makeup adjacent, that's what I refer to, makeup adjacent. Primers, setting sprays, those are makeup adjacent. Alright, best look ever. No, not gonna lie. Not because of the product we received, but because I was kind of in a hurry. Wait, was that all of the lip products? No, I missed a product. Alright, I almost missed this. So here is another product from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Matte Revolution lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. This is another product that I got in the most recent Reader's Choice Awards box. This is also a product that I already owned, but I didn't care because I love Charlotte Tilbury and this is a beautiful shade. Alright, now we have a final look. So there were, I want to say in total, 3 of the products I shared today came from those Reader's Choice Award boxes, but everything else came in a standard $25 a month beauty box. So if you are only into makeup, the Allure box may not be for you, but if you like getting a mix of skincare, hair care, perfume, and makeup, you can't go wrong with that subscription for $25 in my opinion. But now I want to hear from you. Let me know if you already subscribe or if you've recently subscribed. Let me know if you agree that the quality of the brands and the products we receive for a $25 a month box is spectacular. And if you are on the fence and thinking about subscribing, I can let you know it's well worth it. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.